Apple is preparing to unveil a new version of the iPhone SE this year, and leaked dummy models are providing a glimpse of what the device may look like. Leaker Sony Dixon recently shared images of these mock-ups, offering details about the potential design and features of the iPhone SE 4. For context, dummy models are non-functional replicas created by case manufacturers using leaked specifications from Apple's supply chain. These models help case makers get a head start on producing accessories, and they have proven to be accurate predictors of final designs in the past. The upcoming iPhone SE 4 appears to adopt the same aesthetic as the iPhone 14, featuring an aluminum frame, a glass back, and a single-lens rear camera. This makes a significant departure from the current iPhone SE design, aligning it with Apple's more modern lineup. Despite speculation that the new SE might include features like the action button or camera control button from the iPhone 16 series, the dummy models show no signs of these additions. While this doesn't entirely rule out the possibility, the absence suggests these features are unlikely, as case manufacturers would typically account for such changes. Now, under the hood, the iPhone SE 4 is expected to deliver notable hardware improvements. The smartphone will have the A17 Pro chip, the same processor powering Apple's flagship devices, bringing faster performance and support for Apple Intelligence. Apple-designed modem will offer enhanced connectivity with Apple's own modem chip, and the 8GB RAM will deliver a substantial upgrade for smoother multitasking. And the robust 48-megapixel camera borrowed from the iPhone 16 series will elevate photo quality big time. Although widely referred to as the iPhone SE 4, rumors suggest Apple might brand this model as the iPhone 16e, aligning it more closely with the latest iPhone naming conventions. The new iPhone SE is expected to launch in March or April 2025. While Apple aims to keep it affordable, there might be a slight price increase, with the device projected to remain under $500. It will continue to hold its place as Apple's most budget-friendly smartphone option. From what it looks like, this update could redefine the iPhone SE line, combining affordability with a premium design and advanced hardware. Will this new iteration of the iPhone SE capture your interest? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below.